Welcome. Today we are discussing with class 10 physics formula sheets. So important formula will be discussed here. And first in unit electricity, current unit is I and is equal to charge blowing divided by time taken. Here, what do you mean by in current? Current means passing to electrons, passed to electrons through to one medium. That is the meaning of in current. Here, unit of current is a I, and here how much of time was required? How much of time will be required and through the charges, Okay. So first of all, current. Next is potential difference between 2 points. Potential difference points. So voltage means two different differences between 2 points is called as a V. V is equal to work done multiply charge taken. So V is equal to W by Q. W by Q values. Next is SI unit of work is joule. So hence SI unit of potential difference is joule per coulombs or J. This unit is called as a symbol of V. Next one is very important. Ohm's law. Ohm's law means V is equal to IR. So I means current and R means resistance and V means voltage. V is equal to IR. So unit of resistance is represent of ohm, and R is equal to resistance of a material is given to rho into L divided by A. L is a length and A is the area of cross section and rho is equal to resistivity values. Okay, sometimes they are given to resistance value and given to V value, find the current, or sometimes they are given to voltage and I values and find the resistance value. Sometimes they are given to area, length and rho values, resistivity values, so find the R values. It's a depend upon to the materials. Okay, very important. And resistors are connected in series. That is the meaning of even in resistor series means our total resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn, and even in resistance values is parallel. Resistance values is the meaning of this is a series value. Sometimes they are given to parallel means that is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 is up to 1 by Rn. Okay, here you understand series connection and parallel connection. Next, heat generated in a resistor. Even power will be or current will be passed through to one medium means that medium may be generated some heat energy. So how we can find the heat values? So H is equal to VIT or H is equal to V square by R into T. V square by R into T values. So power values. So power values is equal to I square R. Power value is equal to I square R, or P is equal to VI, or P is equal to V square by R. V square by R. Okay. One time was repeated. Current I means charge flowing by time taken, dy by dx, like that, dy by dx value. Okay, here so q value is always changed, not for in constant value. So I is equal to charge flowing by time taken. Next is a SI unit values, and the next one is V. V is equal to W by Q, work done divided by Q values. And SI unit of work units of work is joule. Work is joule, and SI unit of potential differences is joule per coulomb. JC power minus 1. Next is very important, say Ohm's law. Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to IR, and IR here R values is a omega. Omega symbol is a unit of resistance. Okay, next is R values. How to find the R values? It's depend upon to areas and length and resistivity value. Even resistor will be connected in series, means R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn. Even in resistors are connected in parallel. Their equivalent resistance is 1 by R1, 1 by plus 1 by R2 up to plus 1 by Rn. Here, passed through power channel, current or power or voltage, the times for in generated to some heat energy also. So H is equal to V into I into T. Okay, next is a calculated in power. Power P is equal to I square by R, or P is equal to VI, or P is equal to V square by R. Relation between kWh and joule. 1 kWh values is equal to 1 kilo watts per hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule values. Okay. So this is a electricity formulas. Next, reflection angle. Reflection, so unit is light. So area angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So R is equal to 2F. Here R is means radius of curvature and F means focal length. So mirror formula. Mirror formula is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. And magnification, M is equal to H image by H object. And next is M is equal to minus V by U. Next is absolute refractive index, Nm is equal to C by M. And relative refractive index N2 is equal to C1 by C2. Here there are understand about in Snell's law and N2 1 and N2 1. When light goes from medium 1 to medium 2 such that it making angles I values in medium 1 and angle R in medium 2. So important rules also they are given. Power of lens, combination of lens, magnetic effects of current, magnetic effect of currents. So magnetic field at the center of a current carrying conductor B proportional to length, and power combination P is equal to P1 P2 focal length of combination 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Thank you.